na me got here kwa we makeup artist enti me sere o makeup artist na we o Germany no me sere o bra Ghana movie ni gwe o for ye Germany makeup artist e musika na o de see o de bo Tracy man see sa dan na eno de se me go se ngu o wo de anka wo de ni sa wale egu na wo som na wa kabi na adan ase se no ga na wale a o wale no o be se podada me mama kwa bari ba Xposed so I Xposed GH na wa like no wa comment what say no wa share video no na dem be assemble na nam ho Counsellor lutterodt ye man ono di obeka se ne tie obeka na adwen o ka na adwen so a sometimes the be say this man is saying nothing but the truth. I know people are going to insult him but only wakasa no biom e wo NG Broadcasting Network so wakana adwen e dey for Tracy Boakye our recent seminar ama ni mpoye comparison be I afound na me bi so nipa de anka worry a eye de na bi ntina anka akoye te ye celebrities ye omanya emba ye omanya mo omo worry a na asabe something na nka senimu no making some funny comment o say over that public finger me ni oni na me catch you say Jumeku so ya say den neat roofing say ehwe obi ama ne bebo chinsen so ma omo anti from na ni omo dika to go na why de omo be fa wadwuma na omo be estimate omo bo chinsen so ye den ma ahwefo huni me nkasa bebre mo ma ehwe video ne ye den embra entie de Counsellor lutterodt o kafa Tracy Boakye what I say
what if fatality in your castle near Becca and Yanko?
Tracy asima wo se making. See, a simple principle. What was your Tracy interview that? The last interview I'm sure here on Abeku Santana. And she makes a lot of sense when she's talking. Even in her emotions, she makes a lot of sense. But those of us who listen to her, those are you follow no kasa. Okacha Abeku Santana say, "Sisi ade ye kasa obi hia bibia, wanya ni nyina. De aka na ye den. Awade. And Abeku Santana say to be worry. I say Abeku den. Of course, everybody wants to get married. So me tie ho no komo na. Wo hwe, you see, obia MOS omunta klase na tubo mebo a enya mo akro na tubo mo entakra ne se enti enya mo akro na tubo mo entakra ne se no nya mo akro enti so hwe ye say like poles repel, unlike poles attract. Obi enya ne ho oba enya ne ho no be ware a obre togo boga kase Ghana aye cool no ye wo ahonya bi a wonya asena banya ho kafo no na je se ho kafo no enya sen wo e ka ti ba be bi a ti se sie wo ti Islegon na togo boga ye na so bedwa obewaro no no ba be tena gbeglosia e be yo hawa ma e ti be bi a wadu se sie ano e kire ade a wo kofa aba what ma se enya no pe se sie ati ade pa wo oba ba ko ye nyina ni e ti e ba se wo awade mu a wa wade ne nya ti so obi a on wale da abofra ne papa no ebe hia wo sa awade ni enye so beji ti so san o but abofra na ne wonti no you have a baby that belongs to another man whose influence will always be in that marriage. How do you keep that particular distance? And the Tracy awu mienu o nkwala mienu obi kwa ko ware na nkwala ne first decision. Number 2, onu Tracy na brabo wa bo krom ha ubo Tracy Boakye once the level of flash ko na kitwa it is a nepa man me Tracy no Tracy wa ware a ye tu akotena he sa branch akotena Tracy Boakye fie pe ebe me ya e san se ni maame eya broko papa o wale ne go wie sen okay Tracy maame Tracy maame wale broko onu no kotena ni fie onu ana be ka wo video me se wa no ho so wale bema went to me hide and nan kotrem no na be tena no ni fie e chiem no hwe ni ngwaso be gu no e ti se
dai no ni Ghana e bi obeko
eni kwa na tan no
obeko no obeko
be me bi otunu wale uja wo Ghana one man wo dan trem bi and he's not qualified to marry you. If a man marries you today, he needs to provide shelter for you before he leaves.
That's so fear that accounts. I feel also correct.
What is the significance of the marriage?
Obi a mimi wo fear that.
It is a say abema ne ware ne e wo Ghana. Na Tracy omo pon ye na onko ne ho. Hwe, munya careful say oba wo brand na si wa. Hwe no wa mo bi am brand no. Know where you are today. What you we see awade bi ba Radio just how dream because now you become a public finger. Those days are number baby keke.
Public day.
Public finger.
Why finger?
This is Rosie Namhoy. Now Branty Aldinachi. Men got your soul. Men got.
Ade.
Rosie, why
that this advertised guy over your life will call for marriage and I'll go. Rosie, at this level, sure, you should add, when you add level to yourself, you should know that you become a public finger and everything you do matters. Tracy Boakye's level, anytime or Kasa wants, watch your video, no?
Yeah.
I do, baby, you can see that the guy himself, he's not, I don't know him. I don't have his profile. But by the videos I have seen, I dare to say that he's in charge.
In charge.
Go back and watch the videos.
Boy, he in charge.
There be or Tracy now worry bear man, bear man now worry.
By the videos I'm seeing, when a man is in charge, we see he's in charge.
But you see,
No, Pekasa naturally.
Counsellor.
If you are sure what you're buying, you know, you got now you can be near chef. If you are sure that you are now, that black of do airport. Those times when you see him be unpacking was our area. So even picking him, if you are sure be a missing one, it was allowed. So I told the black was say, yeah, she's our own, and to obey, make sure that nothing happens because when it happens, we'll pick our own and leave you. So don't go for anything. Look, monkeys play by sizes, and the sizes will determine where you're going to. Nobody knows the future in marriage, but you should know your past, know your present, and think of the future in your present. So my position was that me, dear Tracy, ni fear or the actually a to alcohol, ni first class or tinemu, and need you or cojinano, or the who far Jane Pants and alcohol warrior now. Did she think of who can marry her?
Counsellor,
Now, so fine.
Actually, read the story, Nianko.
Why won't you just give them marriage?
Yeah, blessing.
Who?
Why are you?
No, hey, stop.
Why
Hey, please. Look, please. Can you please stop this or your dramatic what I want to use a very nice word. Your dramatic concert party of appreciation. If you want to wish them well, have I wished them wrong? Did I wish them do?
Yeah, utie ya na wohwe ya. Oh. Counsellor den sem o person okay na say. Aware ye wo bi so da. Ah, eja Tracy mama. Ah, me de me nim da Tracy mama efia. What I say na se pa ya o de wo mama kesi e de mai na so. Eja efia de agu ne ho se ne ba no ene Tracy. Iti na eja Counsellor ka se o se onim da onim se ne mama. Ewari aboa kwano ai se ne ekosi e no on pese Tracy another Tracy here no ahwe akwakoye ne maame ai nyo no wo no so se ne maame no ai on pese beye ti se na wahwe ni bi why adenti na yo kasa ne maame a friend efia soa opa papa tonado be se odi tenado be friend di ashibolanga oh ashibolanga die oh, Ashibolanga kofa Mr. Matrimonial Home, Matrimonial Bird. Everybody fear no, or see a do baby onu ne ho. Why? Because she gained some level. What I say? And a Tracy so again some level beer. Why not there is a brand to herself? And Tracy won ma mienu. Me bisa o, question be bisa se no. Awale ankasa no. So bad thing ho a e was a chinchina oba no de owo ni na ojegu o na okotena be ma ni fear na with Counsellor Lutterodt statement o making no afefo with Counsellor Lutterodt comment o making no. And another trend issue no so say papa no for Tracy no and no Mr. Frank here na eti Mr. Frank una na wo de Tracy echo all these trips na and the bema yem wamo uska. Na se nya wono so a enya wono so a ene wadie die ya sese mu ache. Wadie die ya sese mu ache. Na other trends be should be a me to semeka obi besie o se obi say our radio ayese contract no. Oh, na Counsellor Lutterodt dey ka so say dan interview Tracy so already fine. When you be on a brabom, na the ohia na awade. But did she really marry the man she is above? A man who is above her? And now say, or I remember what I say. There is a kind of a big problem. If you look at the video now, Counsellor Lutterodt commenting about her. Oh, Counsellor Betuma cannot dream baby, but there is a kind of problem because my Tracy will almost they can have the oil they can have 2 class at account, but money Tracy William, they will still have a say, a part in this marriage. Now, so crown put a chair again, relationship one son or Bewalia, and the dream Masawali. Minia, and you may say then, dream Masawali. Now, Mammy Tracy, Ghana forcing me beside say, Papa no Luniana, and your papa was spending pa over Sika. Ghana forcing me beside. What I say? Now, Ghana forcing you will be say, some marriage way and your contract marriage. Ghana forcing me beside. Mammy Tracy, Ghana force to say me beside say, and you how is Papa no coping? Because almost didn't say, when the Papa by the immediate minimum say, Papa be or how would they affect the marriage? Because you need things from them. What they want so more dear a powerful one. So I say, now Counsellor, say ne to the be a one so to me do be a some to me do and ya say good time. Now can it the Counsellor? Open a tell no one was so worry. And when you say me go say go, what the account you say wali one awesome now what kebi. Na den as they say no get na wale a wale no o pese say podada. But Mr. Frank but our boss we because obey not in the dada. I don't know how long you people dated because this was a hidden relationship that we all were guessing she was getting the money from sugar daddies and all that. But Mr. A Mr. but our boss we in fact also endige yechi meye social media trender. Na emre bi bedu ase na bra koye ya na onya media ne bloggers ama mudi video camera ba be sinenim. I got in my matrimonial bed. I got in my matrimonial home no. Umbe ye bi nchire Ghanaians because minim say wo de wo na wo yi movie. Wo ye acting. Na me got here kwa wo ye makeup artist. Enti me sere wo. Makeup artist na wo ye o Germany no me sere bra. Ghana movie ni go o ye Germany makeup artist. E musika na wo de see. Wo de bo Tracy money see sa dan na. And that Tracy ejuma be mpa de tumi mani si sa dan offer koni ye de ka asem ne kire ye yes rew ma usu issue bi ma na wa me fa o jaya wa na eye yi afa ne sa ye be upload wo anko ye mesrew embe don se ne zandi kame o marriage no ko basa na be ma no ambe kasa bebri anchire obi ano wo so fa wo de yakode ne fa o baby mesrew papa fa o baby de me be ya black pastor. You don't move sound fatal. Now, what crime on the yate and the eye like this? Vivian Joe, what but 21 Sabi? Go by 10 years. We are what Janice in chain and walk of Tracy watching Papa. The Ben out here say Ghana will be cassette, Vivian Joe. And Ghana, I come on, hold your muya. We don't know Mamma Brown for. Vivian Joe, the Akiapia Mono hold you on self high. Now, wait to make Vivian Joe now poor be said social media celebrity. Acting in me movies a year, straight up position the man. And more to me who say what to me yano. Now, so me kai Poshayano, not tracing so the young cobra wopani Vivian. Into what crowd bear may be a problem. Announce me beside your block with this can be bedi. Mr. Obedis can be an Ghana for me, Grammaker, Brahma Frankie, Monsieur Grawe, or what getting sick at Crown or Copper. Oh, if she never again sick or Babajiri, maybe I will leave crazy call the apple shimon, the more than cry. But Papa Lutterodt, oh, can't seminar, a yes, so can't cry, but I say, it will say, young bompire say, and yes, a brow cranny as a bolanga the enemy, baby. It is not in my voice, in Odis Tornado's voice. Mr. Me to me, because me on your phone, Mr. Father say, and you're not be kind of Ghana. Ghana for over class some mommy. Now say this yeah, we are waiting to see. They are taking the girls away. Say slave queens for it. Aye, Mr. Frank. Where you number 1 free up. It will show where the Nasi Krana, I see Bolanga, son of Bessa, attention seeking over Sikiwala, then you know, go not to move say, yes, as I assemble by Nawana, assemble by the Coca Tracy, Tracy, the camera about the scene. And I mean, we said Tracy, Uba by the son of Amia Grada. Oh, Kuruzumbu, Guru, assemble no dinner the cameras when no come again. You better say Beman, the control, and I'll be control Beman because Mamia Grada, they so no control Beman to me because she can almost do the Catra. After 4, honey, the SMBC, the Xposed trend, the over so and some the essay, some the Nika, what I say, the Alcosan, the Bemau. Me can be ashamed, no what I say. Now me catch us and me, I know today, a friend Limo, Elicam Kwame, Amiga, Namian Mushia, my more friend, for Kent. On some make up for the yen, no, what I say. That's it, you say, shave you, when you are share no business day, and should be now what I say now, commenting now like it. It is here. Bye bye.
Onyodo for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dan na wasiewie na wo penchen papa e de abosom anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda